The explorers documented wildlife activity with motion sensor cameras. The explorers documented wildlife activity with motion sensor cameras.
Space exploration has contributed significantly to scientific progress. Space exploration has contributed significantly to scientific progress.
Social media influences how people perceive current events. Social media influences how people perceive current events.
Sports promote teamwork, discipline, and physical fitness. Sports promote teamwork, discipline, and physical fitness.
Heavy rainfall led to flash flooding in low-lying areas. Heavy rainfall led to flash flooding in low-lying areas.
He completed his final thesis after several late nights. He completed his final thesis after several late nights.
Language acquisition is faster during early childhood years. Language acquisition is faster during early childhood years.
Writers often use metaphors to enrich their narratives. Writers often use metaphors to enrich their narratives.
You should practice reading aloud to improve fluency. You should practice reading aloud to improve fluency.
Choose seating that helps you concentrate during lectures. Choose seating that helps you concentrate during lectures.
History teaches valuable lessons from past human mistakes. History teaches valuable lessons from past human mistakes.
The pilot landed the aircraft safely in dense fog. The pilot landed the aircraft safely in dense fog.
You need to attend a weekly group meeting. You need to attend a weekly group meeting.
Social workers often deal with emotionally complex situations. Social workers often deal with emotionally complex situations.
Philosophy challenges assumptions through critical reasoning exercises. Philosophy challenges assumptions through critical reasoning exercises.
Graduates often face difficulty finding relevant job opportunities. Graduates often face difficulty finding relevant job opportunities.
He explained complex theories using simple real-life examples. He explained complex theories using simple real-life examples.
Teachers encouraged students to participate in science exhibitions. Teachers encouraged students to participate in science exhibitions.
Advanced algorithms can predict patterns in massive data sets. Advanced algorithms can predict patterns in massive data sets.
Public transportation must be accessible to people with disabilities. Public transportation must be accessible to people with disabilities.
Enjoying this? Hit that subscribe button and join the fun. Enjoying this? Hit that subscribe button and join the fun.
Did this video help you with your PTE preparation? Show your love by smashing the like button, sharing it with others who are preparing, and subscribing to our channel for more helpful content. Let's conquer the PTE together.